Butterfly's Advice, a short moral story. Once, a caterpillar saw a butterfly gliding gracefully in the sun. Admiring its beauty, the caterpillar asked, "What's your secret to flying?" The butterfly replied, "Patience and persistence. I once crawled like you, but I embraced change, even when it was hard." The caterpillar frowned. "Change frightens me. What if I fail?" The butterfly smiled. "Failure is just a step. Every struggle in the cocoon shapes your wings. Without it, you'll never fly." Inspired, the caterpillar faced its fears and transformed, eventually soaring alongside the butterfly. Moral: embrace change and challenges. They lead to growth and greatness. Thank you for watching.